Hello, good morning, students. Yesterday we have discussed about the simple present tense. So, today we will discuss exercise based on it one by one. So, here we have to fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs in the simple present tense. Look at the first example. He dash newspaper every day. So what in bracket read is given. So what will be the answer? He reads newspaper every day. Why the answer is reads over here? Why we put S here? Because there is a rule that in third person singular we will add suffix s or es with the verb. So here third person singular is there. That's why we have put s as suffix. Understood, students? Now next example is the sun dash in the east. Its answer also rises. You know its reason because the sun is third person singular. Now Suman usually walks to school. Here adverb of frequency is there, right? So adverb of frequency we mostly put before the verb. Here Suman is third person singular. So here we put s. And in simple present tense the form of the verb is root form, that is V1. Now next example. The children always play in the evening. Here, what form of the verb we have used here? Same, play. Why? Because the child is a singular and children is plural. So when the subject is plural, can we put s or es? No. Only play will there. And moreover, in simple present tense, we use root form, that is V1 form of the original form of the verb. So now next example, Surekha dash me English. If the verb is teach, in simple present tense we have to add teaches. Can you see es here? Yes, because the word ends with ch, because the verb ends in ch. That's why we have put es. Now next example, Rajan dash kites. So what form of the fly will be used in simple present tense? Y will turn to IES, because as per the rule, when consonant is there, I will be replaced with IE, Y will be replaced with IES. So it becomes flies. Next example, the children dash not dash songs. We have to use do plus sing. So in simple present tense, as it is third person plural, children, right? Child is singular, children is plural. So we have to use do and verb original form, root form. So it will remain same, sing. So the answer will be the children do not sing songs. Next example, Ram dash not vegetables. We have to use the correct form of simple present tense of do and shall. Here Ram is what? Singular, third person. So what we have to add? Es. So do becomes does. And verb, when we use simple present tense, we have to use verb first form. So here shall will be same, shall. Ram does not sell vegetables. Next example, dash they their room every day? Question mark. So in interrogative sentence, in interrogative simple present tense, the question starts with the do. Do will remain same because here is they, that is third person plural. So it will remain do and verb first person original form in simple present tense. So your answer will be do they clean their room every day? Next question 10. Sometimes grandfather dash us stories. Here the verb form is tell. So sometimes is what again? Adverb of frequency, which can be put after the verb or in the beginning also. So here grandfather is a singular third person. So it becomes, we have to add a s or es with the third person. Here grandfather singular, so we will add s. We will put s here. So the answer will be sometimes grandfather tells us stories. 11th question. Akash often goes for a walk. Which form of verb you have to use? Go. So Akash is again third person singular. So with third person singular we always put as es, and the rule is when the verb ends with the o, right? SS, CH, X, O, then we have to add es with the third person singular. So here it ends in o, that's why we have added es. And often the adverb of frequency will come before the verb in the simple present tense. Now 12th question. Dash Meera always dash clothes question mark in bracket do plus wash. So here third person singular, so we will add es with the do and verb root form, original form. So wash will remain same. In interrogative, the questions start with do or does. Here it is third person singular. So it will be does. So the answer will be, does Mira always wash clothes? Next question. We dash not ice cream. We have to use do plus by. So here we is first person. So there is no use of s or es. So it will remain same do and verb first person, first form. So it will remain by. So the answer is, we do not buy ice cream. Next, Geeta does not write a letter. Again we have put es with the do form because it is third person. Geeta is a third person singular, and in simple present tense the first form, root form of the verb will come. So here it is right. Next, we drink tea every day. We have used drink, no use of s or es. First person, first form of the verb, because with we it is a first person, so no need to add s or es. So it will be drink. The boys run fast. We have to use run. Its first form is run. The boys is what? Plural. So no use of s or es. 17. Dash the student dash many questions. Question mark. Interrogative sentence. So here the students is plural, right? And we have to use s or es with the singular third person. Here s is there, so it is plural. So what will come? Do. What will come? Do. And in simple present tense we use root form of the verb. So ask will remain same. So your answer is, do the students ask many questions? I usually dash till late night. In bracket verb. Here I is first person singular. So verb root form original form is work only, and I is singular first person, so no need to add s or es. So it will be work only. Your answer will be, I usually work till late night. Aarti usually dash the main door. In bracket close. Here Aarti is third person singular. One person is there, Aarti. So we have to add s or es, right? Here we will add es, right students? Closes. I always dash carefully. Drive. So drive verb, drive is what? First form of the verb. So it will remain same. We will use drive as its original form. Drive. And why only drive? Because I is there, right? That is first person. 21. The girls often watch TV. Here girls is a plural, so the first form of the watch is watch, will remain same. Amrita usually dash by bus. Amrita is a third person, so we will add s with it, travels. Why? Because es we are going to add with the words which is going to end with ss, ch, x, o, like that. So the answer is, Amrita usually travels by bus, because it ends with the A. So it will be travels only. Now, Kiran does not water the plants. We have to use the form of do plus water, form of the water. Kiran is third person singular, so we have to add es because do ends with the o, so we have added es here. Kiran does not water. First form of the water is water. Water the plants. Now, Sajal and Nitin always dash their friends, right? So, Sajal and Nitin are more than one. So, for plural, the verb has no s or es. It will remain same, the first form of the verb, that is root form of the verb. So the answer is Sajal and Nitin always help their friends. It dash we always obey our elders? Question mark. Here plural, first person plural is there, so we are not going to add s or es. No. And the obeys root form of the verb is obey. Same. So here we will use obey. So the answer in simple present tense is do we always obey our elders? Like that. Thank you, students.